Myntri ke Sorkar kami ubadai pej ikirit pa hakari ujon barla kejungan balai singi jong u syak jela ulong bakat kum kejing lap jong u bon ki Skhim nak Sorkar Pdeng Khlem shim le Pyntreikam hagajela. Susu ulong ru ba om shim le dan kanu kejing pentep paj ba yakini ki Skhim baru ula kentu ke Sorkar jela ban Pyntreikam yakini ki Skhim bakan long kejing mentoy nak bentagi paj ba nong song snong jong ke jela.
There is a no awareness of central scheme. Many schemes they are not getting here. Central scheme are not getting. That's why they are not facilitated. So I request the government, Meghalaya, we have to unite it and we have to collaboration, state and central, and we can do many things for the people. And in our ministry also, in minority ministries, there are many things to do. We can make a resident school, hospitals, and health centers, and community hall, and many women's facilities, boys hostel, girls hostel, smart classroom, and many other things we can do from our ministry. But the state will give a proposal to the central, and we are ready to. If they come 1 feet, we will go 2 feet for development for Meghalaya. And that's why I came here. Let us unite it and let us give me a proposal. There is many things to do in our ministry. They don't know about the schemes. Only they know the scholarships, and out of scholarship there is many things to do. They are running many institutes just like education, health, and social. They are doing a good job, but till they didn't take any benefit from the ministry because there is no awareness. So I came to and meet them. Let us. Only there is a minority means they think only one community, but there is a free education, nursery to upper higher education. But if you will not apply, you will not do this, you will not build a residential school, then how can the development of Meghalaya people? So I came here and I awareness them. Let us, you just give me a proposal. You just send a proposal to the state and come to me. I am ready to.